guys, this is Julie
and Lynn from Delicious Korea.
This time we'll be making two Korean foods with eggs, 계란말이, which is Korean rolled omelet, and 계란찜, which is Korean steamed egg. Are you ready? Okay, let's get started. Here are the ingredients for rolled omelet and steamed egg.
Eggs, carrot, green onion, water, salt, oil, spatula, strainer, paper towel. Mine's a green onion and a carrot. Beat 4 eggs into a bowl and stir the egg mixture. Add chopped vegetables and salt to it and mix them all together. Heat a pan and spread some oil. We only need a bit of oil, so wipe the oil with a paper towel. Lower the heat and spread the egg mixture into a thin slice. When you see the bottom side cooked enough, while the upper side is still wet, fold it once and keep rolling. Pull the roll to a side and add some more egg mixture. And repeat it with the early made roll. Cook all sides of the rolled omelette. When the rolled omelette is cooked enough, cut it into pieces. Rolled omelette is really good with ketchup.
Beat 4 eggs into a bowl and stir the egg mixture. Strain it once. We use the remaining water. Add a half cup of water, chopped vegetables, salt, and mix them. Pour egg mixture into the bowl. Make sure to fill only half of the bowl, not to make it blow up and flow over. If you add 4 spoons of milk, it will become softer. Microwave it for 2.5 minutes. 거지?